Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you enjoy this content and that you subscribe to my channel. Everyone else, welcome back. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. So today's video was actually inspired by a comment left on one of my previous videos by a lady by the name of Brianna Boston. She commented on a Model 1 swatch video that I have previously did and was just letting me know that she had tested the monomer and, you know, kind of what happened with that, what she thought about the monomer. The original video I will link for you guys if you want to check out that video. But essentially the liquid she was talking about was the slow setting acrylic liquid. So as I said in my original video, this bottle does not have the ingredients on it. And just like my original video, I'm going to their website and I'm looking for the ingredients. This was shipped to me without a box. There was no original packaging. It was just the bottle. So there was no ingredients on the bottle. And I'm looking through their website and I still don't see ingredients. I wanted to check the website again just in case they had updated it since my original video. So two things that stand out to me is that it says it's an EMA monomer and that it is MMA free. So I went to the question section. There are questions people asked about the monomer, but they weren't answered. And then I'm just looking at the two comments that were left, nothing about MMA or whatever. And I just scrolled all the way down to the bottom of the page just in case maybe the ingredients are there. So nowhere on their packaging, how I was shipped the product, or on their website lists the ingredients. So I just want to do a soak off test. So again, I'm going to do the swatch with the Model 1's slow setting monomer and a natural clear powder by Young Nails. So it's not too interesting watching me put on clear acrylic on a swatch stick. So let me just tell you how I started working with Model 1's. So this monomer I did receive from the company, and I was on their website one day and I noticed they had like a tutorial section. So I went on the section and I saw, you know, a lot of YouTubers I'm familiar with, and then I saw one of my videos and I'm like, why is my video here? Like, okay, that's kind of weird. So then I reached out to them and I was like, hey, you know, you guys are using my video on your website. Essentially, we don't really work together. Why do you have my video up? If you want me to review your products, add me to your PR list. So the lady responded or whatever, and then she sent me out some gel polishes, yada, yada, yada. Pause in the story. So I'm also going to do a swatch and a soak off with the Young Nails monomer. And on that bottle, you can see that they do have their ingredients listed. I'm going to use a different dapping dish and a different brush, so not to contaminate the monomers or anything like that. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not that much monomer that sits in the brush, but I just wanted to do a different brush and a different dapping dish. So back to the story. The lady, she sent me out some gel polishes, whatever. I reviewed them and I actually really do like their products. So fast forward, I received some acrylic to review or whatever. So I did review this kit, and like I said, this monomer with some acrylics, and like I said, I'll link that video above. And I gave my honest opinion of the brush, of the acrylic, and the monomer. And out of everything I reviewed, I really like this monomer. But I also said in the video, this is probably going to be the last time that they send me anything, just because I wasn't raving about the acrylic. I literally gave my honest opinions, which you don't always find when someone receives product. However, Model 1 does make a lot of good products. Just for me, I didn't care for their acrylic too much. So like I said, they had one of my videos on their website. So I had been using and reviewing their products before I started working with them. Out of all my Model 1 videos, only 2 of the videos featuring them were products that I received. So the majority of everything was purchased with my own money. And it's funny how once I started receiving products, then I kind of guess the problems start. Anyways, I'm going to do a soak off with this acetone. I'm going to soak them off in 2 separate little jars, and I do apologize for the focus in a couple spots in these next couple clips. Everything on the screen is either clear or white, so I think the camera's like, what am I supposed to be focusing on? So I do apologize for that. If it is out of focus, just work with me here, guys. So I'm just going to soak these off and in acetone, and then I wanted to double check the Young Nails one was dry because I forgot to tap it to see if it was dry, but both of the swatches had set, so they were both dry. So this is my first time going in with the Model Ones trying to scrape anything off, and it's not really coming off. It's like a little bit sticky, so I just put it in a little bit longer. So a couple minutes later, I go back in, and I've already smeared. I'm messy, so I smeared the words on the swatch stick, but it's still not really coming off too good, and it's still a little sticky. So, guys, I know that we've all seen acrylic being soaked off before. I know that we've seen the do's and don'ts, all those clips, like your soak off should not look like this. And me soaking this off is awfully familiar to MMA soak offs. So I'm not saying there's MMA in this product, but this soak off is awfully similar to soak offs with MMA. So with MMA, the soak offs, it kind of takes a really long time, and then you don't really remove a lot of product, and it's sticky. So that's kind of what that was giving me. With EMA, it's kind of like it'll kind of flake off. So now I'm going to go in and show you guys the Young Nail soak off, and I will say that it is kind of challenging doing the scrape off with these swatch sticks because they are a little flimsy, but this is how it looked when I was scraping it off. I actually had to turn it around so that I can put more pressure without breaking the swatch stick, and this is how it started to look. So it's coming off. I'm getting more product off. They both were soaking for the same amount of time. I'm getting more product off, and it's not all sticky and slimy. This is acetone and this is plastic, so underneath it was like getting on my finger, like from the plastic from the swatch stick. But you can see here, this is how the Young Nails monomer was being removed. So I can't come out and say, hey, this product has MMA, because at the end of the day, I am not a chemist or anything like that. I can just compare the soak offs, and like I said a few seconds ago, it's awfully familiar to the MMA soak offs. So for me, I'm not using this product again. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in the trash because, one, I couldn't find their ingredients anywhere, so you can't really compare, and two, a website can say anything. So I am very disappointed in Model Ones. I've spent a lot of money purchasing their products on my own. So at this point, I don't know what I should do. Should I just continue to use their other products, or do I just throw away everything? Let me know what you guys think. Like, what would you do in this situation if part of what you do is reviewing products and you already have all these videos, but you can see clearly the company has, you know, been deceitful? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Definitely test out this monomer for yourselves. I do know now, before I use any monomer, or part of my review will be a soak off in the video, because I didn't think this had MMA. I thought this was EMA as per their website. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below. I know this wasn't really a fun nail video or anything like that, but I do hope you enjoyed this content. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And definitely, I need to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and always, thanks for spending your time with me.